Wouldn't it be nice to have water by your bedside at the touch of a button? Imagine if filling a glass no longer had to be part of your nightly or early morning routine. If you never had to get up in the middle of the night for a refill. Imagine if you could get longer and healthier sleep, wake up more refreshed for the morning, and even start your day with a chilled glass of your favorite cold brew or fresh squeezed orange juice, all without having to sacrifice the aesthetic of your bedroom. Meet HydraLamp by HitSips. It's the lamp that brings light to your room and brings peace of mind in providing up to 4 liters of fresh, filtered water at the touch of your fingertips. Designed by Naval Submersibles engineers, HydraLamp uses NSF and FDA-approved materials and components. Waterproof LED lighting and isolated electronic chambers make the system safe, and its insulated pump housing keeps the dispensing quiet, so your sleep and the ones around you remain undisturbed. HydraLamp's water reservoir is made effortless to refill, with its quick connect and release features and large twist cap fill port. Renewing your water and stowing it out of sight has been made seamless. HydraLamp's microfiltration technology ensures a safe pour of water for 100 gallons or 6 months. Changing the filter's been made easy, thanks to the pump's painless plug and unplug connection ports. So has taken care of any spills you may incur during usage. Additionally, the interchangeable lampshade design ensures your HydraLamp meets your style. Perfect for anywhere in your home or office, HydraLamp is a versatile addition to any space. With the HydraLamp mini fridge in the add-on section, you can even enjoy a refreshing pour of your other favorite beverages. Additionally, engineers at HitSips designed the product to be easy to clean. HydraLamp is the perfect solution for your bedside, and especially exceptional for times when you may be sick or injured. HydraLamp is especially useful for those who take medicine before bed, and those with dry mouth due to snoring, sleeping with their mouth open, or those who just had a little too much to drink last night. So say goodbye to cluttered nightstands with HydraLamp's low-profile base. Say farewell to settling for last night's stale water, filled with dust and other particles. And say hello to a world where you sleep better, knowing your hydration needs are satisfied in style.
The HitSips team has spent well over a year designing, refining, and testing the HydraLamp till it was absolutely perfect. All of our commercial components have been acquired. Now we need your help to reach the commercial capital tooling costs required to complete manufacturing. So please, back HitSips and help make HydraLamp the hydration solution of the future.